Almost every garage in America has a can of WD-40 sitting on a shelf somewhere. But here's the part most drivers never think about. That same $6 can fix 18 different problems on your car. And most people only ever use it for one or two of them. After years around shops and mechanics, I've watched drivers who've owned the same car for 15, 20 years get hit with repair bills that a few seconds of spraying could have prevented. Not because they were careless, because nobody ever told them. These are good drivers, careful drivers. They just never got the right information. And some of these habits, if you ignore them long enough, can turn into repair bills running anywhere from $300 to over $1,000 for a problem that $6 of WD-40 could have stopped cold. So stick around, because today we're going through all 18. And the very last one on this list can fix a problem that quietly drains your fuel economy and your wallet every single time you start the car. Almost nobody checks for it. Mechanics rarely explain it. And once you know it, you'll never look at your engine the same way again. Let's start with number 18. Number 18. Restore your exhaust tips. Picture this. Your exhaust tips are black carbonized, killing the look of an otherwise clean car. That soot bakes onto the metal under extreme heat, and regular soap never touches it. Here's the fix. Spray WD-40 generously inside and around the tip. Let it soak a minute, then work it with a microfiber cloth or soft brush. Watch the buildup lift off in long, dark streaks. Buff it dry, and that tip shines like showroom chrome again. It's a small detail that turns a tired rear end into something worth showing off. But the next one fixes something hiding in your trunk. Number 17. Refresh your rubber floor mats. Your mats look cracked, faded, permanently dirty, even right after a wash. Mud and salt grind so deep that rinsing barely makes a dent. Here's the move. After hosing them down, spray a light coat of WD-40 across the surface and spread it with a cloth. It seeps into the rubber, restoring flexibility and pushing out grime water alone can't reach. Wipe off the excess, let them dry, and they'll come back darker and solid black like the day the car was new. Works on cargo liners too. Small detail, but the next one changes how your whole car looks pulling up. Number 16. Restore your front grille. Right now, it probably looks like a bug graveyard, road debris, brake dust, baked-on insects turning a sharp finish into a dull, pitted mess. Here's how you bring it back. Spray WD-40 generously across the grille, working it into the slats where residue has baked in. Let it sit a minute, then work it through with a soft detailing brush. Wipe clean and the grime lifts away. Finish. Darkened, sharpened, protected against the next round of bugs. Body shops use this exact trick before putting cars on the lot. It's the first thing anyone sees on your car, and the next one most drivers never even think to check it. Number 15. Remove water spots from your side mirrors. Those cloudy white spots aren't dirt. They're mineral deposits from rain and tap water bonded right onto the glass, distorting your reflection. Here's what actually works. Mist WD-40 directly onto the mirror. Let it sit 30 seconds, then buff gently in circles with a microfiber cloth. Watch those deposits lift clean off, leaving glass that's clear and glare-resistant. It also leaves a thin, water-repelling layer, so rain beads right off afterward. Detailers use this before handing cars back after a full detail. A clear mirror isn't about looks. It's about seeing the car beside you before it's too late. Next one's about something rolling under you every single day. Number 14. Clean and restore your tires. That dull brownish film no amount of water washes away. That's brake dust, road tar, and rubber oxidation, flattening the sidewall even when the rest of the car is spotless. Here's the move. Spray WD-40 directly onto the sidewall. Work it in with an old cloth or brush. It cuts through that buildup in seconds, revealing the deep black rubber underneath. Wipe off the excess, and the difference is instant. It even creates a protective barrier that slows the browning from coming back. People underestimate how much clean black tires change the entire presence of a car on the road. And the next trick saves you from breathing in months of dust. Number 13. Clean, dusty interior surfaces. Your dashboard and door panels have that thick gray film that wipe-downs never fully clear. Here's the fix. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth, never directly onto the surface, and wipe along the dash door panels, console, and trim. It traps and lifts dust instead of spreading it, and leaves a conditioning layer that repels future buildup. Pay extra attention to the air vents, because dust packed in those fins gets recirculated through your cabin every time you run the AC. 5 minutes today saves you from breathing built-up dust on every drive after. And what's coming up next might actually surprise you the most. I had a customer a while back, retired school teacher, drove the same sedan for 12 years without a single major repair. When I asked what she did differently, she pulled a can of WD-40 out of her trunk and just laughed. Said her husband taught her that trick decades ago and she never stopped. I've recommended it to people ever since. Anyway, let's keep going. Number 12. Coat your car's paint for protection. Bird droppings, tree sap, road tar, bug guts, they land on your hood every day, and every one of them can etch into your clear coat if it bakes in the sun. Here's the move. After a wash and dry, mist WD-40 onto one panel at a time and buff it evenly. The surface takes on a deep, wet-looking shine, and contaminants slide right off on contact. Afterward, it's not a substitute for wax long-term, but a basic respray on a single panel can run anywhere from $300 to over $1,000. This $6 can is what stands between your paint and that bill. Before we keep going, if this is useful so far, a quick like helps Core Car reach more drivers who could use this information. Now, let's get into the ones that really matter. Number 11. Clean your leather and vinyl seats. Dirt grinds into the surface, and that rich leather starts looking dull, cracked, tired. Most people reach for expensive conditioners that strip the finish even further. Here's what actually works. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean cloth, never directly onto the seat, and wipe along the grain. It lifts embedded grime and softens the leather without soaking through it. Follow with a dry wipe, and the seat looks darker and noticeably more supple. Cracked leather is almost impossible to fully restore once it's bad enough. A reupholstery job isn't cheap. One pass, and your seats look years younger. Next up, something most drivers haven't looked at since they bought the car. Number 10. Restore faded taillights. That milky yellowed haze isn't just cosmetic. It scatters your light output and reduces how visible you are to drivers behind you. Here's the fix. Spray WD-40 directly onto the lens and wipe in smooth circles with a microfiber cloth. The fog lifts almost immediately. The lens turns clearer and brighter. The formula fills microscopic surface scratches and leaves a thin layer that slows future fading. In some states, excessively faded taillights can actually get you pulled over. So this is about more than looks. Mechanics quietly do this before returning cars, and customers always assume they got new lights. Next one takes care of something that's been bugging your gas station routine for years. Number 9. Clean a gunked-up gas cap. If yours hasn't been cleaned in years, here's the fix. Spray WD-40 generously around the threads, the underside of the cap, and the sealing ring. Let it sit a minute to cut through the buildup. Then wipe it down with a clean cloth. It dissolves hardened grime, lubricates the threads, and restores a clean seal that snaps tight every time. Do this every few months, and you'll likely never see another fuel-related check engine code. Most people spend hundreds chasing that light through diagnostics when the fix was sitting in their garage the whole time. Next one's about a problem you can't see, but it's happening every single time you start your car. Number 8. Clean a hazy windshield. That smeared oily film that makes oncoming headlights bloom into a blinding starburst at night. That's not just annoying, it's genuinely dangerous. It's a mix of road exhaust and silicone vapor from your dashboard that water never fully removes. Here's the fix. Spray a light coat of WD-40 onto the glass. Spread it evenly. Give it 30 seconds. Then wipe it completely off with a clean, dry cloth. What comes off will surprise you. Brown, filmy residue built up for months. What's left is clear, smooth, and hydrophobic, so rain sheets straight off instead of smearing. Mechanics and detailers know this. Now you do too. Next one might be the loudest fix on this whole list. Number 7. Silence a squealing serpentine belt. Every head on the block turns when that belt screams on startup. That squeal happens when dust, humidity, and surface glazing cause the belt to slip on the pulleys instead of gripping them. With the engine off, give the belt's inner surface and each pulley a light, controlled mist. Start the car, and the squeal drops away almost instantly. It's not a permanent fix if the belt is genuinely worn. Inspect it for cracking first. But a new serpentine belt can run anywhere from $100 to $250 in labor alone. Knowing the difference between dirty and worn puts the power back in your hands before you ever walk into a shop. Number 6. Free up stiff window tracks. Your window grinds or hesitates every time you roll it down, and it gets worse in cold weather. The rubber-lined channels collect dust and grime until the glass is practically dragging through mud. Lower the window halfway, spray WD-40 directly into the exposed track on both sides, then run the window up and down slowly several times. What was grinding now glides almost silently. Don't skip the rear windows. They're usually worse than the fronts. A window regulator replacement can run anywhere from $150 to $300 at a shop. Keeping those tracks lubricated is the easiest way to make sure you never need one. Next one's a genuine safety issue, not just convenience. Number 5. Free a stuck side mirror. The motor strains every time you hit the adjustment button, and now you're driving with a blind spot on every lane change. Usually, it's not the motor, it's the pivot joints gummed up with road grime and moisture. Spray WD-40 carefully into the joint and adjustment housing. Give it a minute, then try the controls again. Most of the time, the mirror loosens up immediately. A pre-winter spray on both mirrors takes under 2 minutes and can save you a frozen mirror on the coldest morning of the year. Power mirror motor replacements can cost $100 to $250, and most of the time, the motor was never actually the problem. Number 4. Lubricate stiff seatbelts. If yours is sticking mid-draw or snapping back unevenly, that's not something to ignore. A belt that doesn't retract properly can fail to hold tension in a collision. Pull the belt to full extension, spray a light, even mist of WD-40 along the webbing. Work it in with a cloth, then let it retract slowly several times. Do every belt in the car, since if the driver's side is stiff, the others usually aren't far behind. A seatbelt replacement at a dealership can run $200 to $500. Keeping yours maintained with a $2 fix is one of the smartest moves you'll make all year. Next one saves you a call to the locksmith. Number 3. Fix a sluggish ignition switch. You insert your key, and instead of a clean turn, you feel stiffness or grinding resistance. Most people assume the cylinder is failing and brace for an expensive repair. 9 times out of 10, it's just dust and dried-out lubricant inside the tumbler. With the key out, spray a short, controlled burst of WD-40 directly into the keyhole. Then insert the key and turn it slowly back and forth several times. What felt seized starts turning smoothly with every pass. Ignition cylinder replacements can run $150 to $400 at a shop. Most of the time, the problem is nothing more than a dried-out lock that this fixes in 60 seconds. If you've learned something new so far, drop a like. because the next one is the one most people completely overlook. Number 2. Unstick a seized parking brake cable. You release the brake and the car doesn't move. The cable's frozen or corroded inside its housing, and no amount of lever pumping releases it. Before you call a tow truck, locate the cable running underneath the vehicle. Spray WD-40 generously along its length and into any exposed housing openings. Then let it soak several minutes. Cycle the brake on and off while gently rocking the car, and the corrosion bond brains free. This is especially critical if you live somewhere with heavy winter road salt. Parking brake cable replacements can run $100 to $300, and regular lubrication with a $6 can prevents the entire situation from ever starting. And now the one I promised you at the very start. Your engine running rough, the throttle hesitating, your fuel economy quietly dropping for no reason you can explain. Before you pay for a full diagnostic scan, check your mass airflow sensor, a small component inside your air intake that measures how much air is entering your engine. When it gets coated with oil residue and airborne dust, it sends the wrong information to your engine's computer, and the result is poor performance, wasted fuel, and a check engine light staring back at you. Here's the fix. Remove the sensor from the intake housing, usually just 2 screws and a connector clip. Spray WD-40 lightly across the wires and sensing elements. Let it sit 60 seconds. Then wipe gently with a clean, dry cloth and let it fully air dry before reinstalling. Reinstalling it wet can throw off your readings and trigger the exact warning light you were trying to clear. A brand new sensor can cost anywhere from $80 to over $300 depending on your vehicle. 60 seconds with a can of WD-40 is always worth trying first. I've had this exact fix clear a check engine light on my own truck within a single drive cycle. No shop, no diagnostic fee, nothing but a can that was already sitting in the garage. So how many of these 18 were you already doing? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If even one of these saves you a trip to the mechanic, subscribing to Core Car is worth it. Every video we make is built to keep more money in your pocket and your car running longer. But before you go, there's one more thing most drivers get completely wrong. Core Car's next video covers the fuel myths quietly costing you at every fill-up. It's right here. Don't miss it.